While this snowstorm has been going on, we have been waiting on our incubated eggs to hatch. Today's hatching day. Got a flashlight here so we can see inside. We got a little pip, that's what you call it when they start to hatch. Got a pip from that one. This one right here just pipped. Oh, come on, zoom in for me. There we go. And then this green one right here is also pipped. So far out of the 7, we see 3 that have began to open. This is our first time doing this, but we got a little brooder box, little bitty one set up for them right now. We'll transfer them to the big brooder box once they have a little more feathers on them and don't have to stay quite as warm. But when they first start out, they're gonna have to be around 95 degrees. That's what they have to have access to for warmth. So next up, baby chick. So excited.